Hello and welcome to my channel Flavourful Shots with Pallavi. Today I am bringing you the ultimate festive treat, KHURMA. A rich, creamy and delicious dessert that completes every Eid celebration. I made this recipe with a little twist. Watch the video till the end to see how this special twist takes KHURMA to the next level. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. So let's dive into this heavenly Eid special. And that's it. Our sheer khurma is ready. creamy, fragrant, and absolutely irresistible. This little twist makes it even more special, perfect for your Eid celebration. Serve it warm or chilled and enjoy the festive flavors. If you love this recipe, hit the like button, drop a comment, share this recipe with your family and friends. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy Eid. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.